everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the channel DEVOPS-TECHSTACK. So today we are going to discuss about the first question asked in any DevOps interview, that is tell me about yourself. And apart from that, we will also discuss about the few interview questions that are being asked in IBM. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. So let's talk about the first question, that is tell me about yourself. So this we will divide into five subpoints. That is, the first point is start with a brief introduction. Then you need to highlight your key DevOps skills and tools. Then you can discuss about relevant experience onto the DevOps side. Then you can showcase your problem solving skills, like if you have done some kind of cost optimization or performance improvement or any kind of automation which are helping your client. So those things you can mention in this particular subpoint. Then you can mention something like how you are aligning with the job profile they are looking for. The very first point, that is, let's start with a brief introduction about yourself. So you can tell what is your name and how much year of experience you are holding onto the software development and DevOps side. If you are working with some another profile also for some time, that also you can mention in this particular subpoint. Okay. Then in the next point is you need to highlight your DevOps skills and tools. This is a very important subpoint where you need to highlight what kind of tools you have worked onto the DevOps side. Like you can mention that you have worked with the CI/CD pipeline, you are managing your cloud infrastructures, then you are also working with the Kubernetes orchestration tool, then you are already working with the GitHub Actions, or you are automating the infrastructures using Terraform. Also, you have done setup on the monitoring system using the Prometheus and Grafana. So all the tools, whatever you have worked, everything you can mention in this particular sub point. Okay. Then you have the next point is the discuss about the relevant experience. So maybe in your entire career, you might have worked into the multiple profiles, but they are looking for a DevOps experience, right? So you need to discuss how much relevant experience you are holding just onto the DevOps side, not your entire career they are asking. So something you can tell here, like out of 5 years of experience into this IT industry, I have only worked for 2 years onto the DevOps side, and this much experience I am holding. So you need to discuss about that particular point over here. Okay. Now the next thing is you need to showcase your problem solving skills. Okay. So if you have done some kind of automation, or if you have done some kind of cost optimization that has helped your company or your client, that is helping their with their cost, that is a very important thing, right? So you need to mention that thing over here. Apart from that, if you have saved their performance, or if you have enhance their performance stability of their infrastructures using some kind of monitoring tool, all those things you can mention over here, right? So the next sub point is align with the job role. What I meant to say over here is, like, whatever the interview you are giving, if that interview matches with the profile what the company is looking for, so something like that you get that will enhance your interview experience with them. Like you can mention that I am eager to contribute my skills to help drive your DevOps initiative forward. And I'm eagerly looking for this particular job role. And how can I help? Something like that you can mention over here. So these are few subpoints which you can mention in any of the DevOps interview where they are asking, like, tell me something about yourself. Okay, so this will briefly discuss all the things related to your career. Okay, thing is, I will discuss few interview questions that are being asked at IBM. The very first question was how to schedule a cron job at both 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. every day. Then you have one more question related to in Linux, that is how to check cache memory in the Linux system. Then how to check number of core CPU in your system. Okay. Then what was the purpose, or what is the purpose of a reverse proxy, and which tools have you used to implement same? Then how can you secure a DevOps pipeline? Then one more question was if you are comfortable with shell script, or if you are comfortable with Python script, you can try to do this with your any of the scripting language which you are familiar with. So what is the question over here? Like if this is a string input, right? So based on the letter, whatever is coming first, you need to display all the occurrence of that particular character together. Okay. So if here O is coming first, then how many O are coming? You need to get them together. So only O and O, right? After that, if C is coming, then there are three C, right? So all three C's should come together. So like that, you need to have a output like something like that. Okay. So this was the next question which was asked in the interview question. So if you need the detailed answer of these many questions, I can come up with the next video, and you can mention in the comment section also if you're looking for these main things. Okay. Apart from that, if you have any doubt related to these interview sub points and you want to have a deep dive into these many particular sub points, then I can answer those questions also. Like if you want that this particular sub point, that is showcase problem solving skills, how it can be achieved, how you can do cost optimization in your organization, or how you can enable monitoring systems such as using the Prometheus and Grafana in your company, or how you can do some kind of automations that will help the client with the getting the task done in a very less time. So all those kind of things, if you want me to come up with some examples, you can tell. Till then, thank you for watching our video. Do like, share, and subscribe for such upcoming videos. Thank you.